Victoria near Honge Beach in Bondo sub-county last night. According to CIA Police Commander Francis Kooli, the boat, which had 20 people on board, capsized after it was hit by strong winds. 10 people drowned, while 10 others, including 9 adults and 1 child, were luckily rescued by other fishermen who were on a routine fishing expedition at the time of the incident. Police officers have begun the search for the 10.
Today we are in a morning mood, and today morning we received a report on an incident that has involved one of the boats that was destined to Honge Beach from Uganda side, and it had 20 passengers and business community that actually conduct their business, because according to the reports we have, they had bananas beach. I'm told there were strong winds, and rain was also experienced during their journey to Honge.
Well, the current